Ever get halfway up a trail and realize your pack feels way heavier than it should? Whether you're into ultralight or just trying to avoid overpacking, there's a simple online tool that can make planning your gear way easier. It's called LighterPack. Today I'll show you what it does, who it's for, and how to use it to plan, track, and share your gear list for your next adventure. LighterPack is a free web app that helps you build, organize, and visualize your backpacking gear list. It's especially popular with hikers, backpackers, and ultralight enthusiasts who track every ounce of their gear. But it's also great for anyone who wants to avoid overpacking, stay organized, and understand how gear weight affects comfort. You don't need to know spreadsheets or any complicated charting software. It's super visual and easy to use. Planning your gear and supplies can get tedious and messy. LighterPack solves that by giving you one clean visual list that automatically calculates your total pack weight and shows exactly where your weight is going. You can even track clothing and consumables, like food and fuel, all in one place. LighterPack was created by Galen Malley, who calls it the most popular gear tool for backpackers. And with hundreds of thousands of users, he's probably right. The best part, it's completely free to use. To get started, head over to lighterpack.com/register. Create a free account with an email and password, and select Sign In. Once you're in, click Add New List from the sidebar. Give your list a name of your choosing. You'll see your fresh list ready to fill. From here, add your categories. Maybe shelter, sleep system, clothing, and so on. Under each category, hit the Add Item button. Enter your item's name, description, weight, quantity, and price if you want. You can switch between grams, ounces, pounds, or kilograms, and LighterPack automatically handles the math. Want to add more detail? Upload a photo so you can see your gear visually. Add a link to the product page or online review. Mark items as worn or consumable, or use the star icon to flag favorites or important pieces of gear. Once you've entered your items, LighterPack automatically creates a color-coded pie chart that shows how your weight is divided by category. You can hover over each slice to see how much weight each section contributes. A great way to spot heavy items and fine-tune your setup. The search tool lets you quickly find gear items you've added before. You can drag and drop items into new lists, so you don't have to rebuild them from scratch each time. Once your list is complete, click the Share button at the top right. You'll get a public link that anyone can click to view your list. Perfect for sharing on forums or group chats. There's also an embed code, which lets you list your gear inside of your website or blog. This makes it easy for others to view your setup and even learn from your loadout. Prefer spreadsheets? You can export your list as a CSV file to open in Excel or Google Sheets. Perfect if you want to print it out or customize it further. And that's about it. LighterPack is a simple but powerful tool for planning future outdoor adventures. Whether you're going ultralight or keeping things organized, it's an easy way to see exactly what's in your pack and maybe drop a few ounces before you hit the trail. If you found this video helpful and insightful, please slap that thumbs up and share your gear list down in the comments section. And if you're ready to explore some reliable and budget-friendly backpacking gear to further refine your future outings, go check out the video right over here. And as always, stay safe out there, guys.